Hello, my name is Miguel and this is the installation video for the Nihon-Go project. There are 3 steps in the installation guide. The first, React Native, the second, Node, and the third, Expo, which needs to be installed on the computer and the phone. Let's first go to the React Native link. Clicking on the link will send you to this site. This site has all the guidelines to making sure you install React Native correctly. Here we have an overview of the installation process. We first have to make sure that we have Node version 6 installed. So let's go to the Node page. Here on the Node page, we go to the Downloads tab. On the Downloads tab, you will see the latest Node version. This version also includes NPM 5.6.0. That version of NPM does not work with React Native. You have to degrade to NPM version 4. After installing NPM and Node, let's go back to the React Native site. So now you have to follow all the guidelines on this page to install it correctly. Once you do that, let's move on to the Expo site. Here on the Expo site, you have the different tools that Expo has. We will first go to the XCE. Going to the XCE will take us to the GitHub page. Once you go to the GitHub page, make sure you download the Expo XCE. Once you have already installed React Native, Node, and Expo, you also have to make sure you download all the correct files from the GitHub for the application. Once you do that, you go to the terminal and you navigate to the project directory. Once you're there, you have to download the correct and appropriate Node modules for the application to run correctly. You do this by typing npm install. This will install other Node modules that the application needs. To check other Node module dependencies for the application, you can open the packet.json file in the project directory. Once you do that, you go to the dependencies section and you will see other Node modules that needs to be installed for the application to work correctly. Once this already happens, you are ready to start the application. Here you can see the Expo XCE. I have also already opened my project and the project is already loaded. To test out the application on your phone, you first click on Share, then open the Expo app on your phone and scan this QR code. When you scan the QR code, the application will build on your phone and you can test it out. Once you do that and it already loads, the installation process for the application has already been finished.